So friend, this is my computer hardware series video, and I'm already created my last previous video very important for you because this is a computer hardware series. My part start and watch my previous video in. I'm already told you hardware, what is a hardware type, and type of work, smart work, and what is basic information I'm already give. Okay, so we are continuing history of computer and how they start a computer history, and the first computer created by 1956 uh, scientists, and what is the main reason of create the 1956 in the first computer. So what is the before 1956 and how many type scientists continue these hard work for create one type of electronic machine and calculation and work for and give name computer. Okay, so let's start and this continue video. So you can see just here, this is one type of technology, electronic power and electronic machine. This is one type of electronic machines you are already know about this computer. So we are understand history of computer. So you can see just this is file, and I'm already completely this is early conversion. The abacus, the first automatic computer. First name is abacus and is a earliest now tool computing. It was thought to have invented in Babylon circa 2400 BCE. The abacus generally feature a table or tablet with beaded strings. The abacus is still in use today in China and Japan. It was only very recently 1990s that available, and sophistication of the handheld calculator supplemented the abacus. In 115 BCE, Chinese invented south pointing caret, a device which was the first to the use different gear, which is believed to have given rise to first analog computer. So what is a ABAC? This is a one type of ABAC. This is a one type of calculation using left side Russian abacus. You can see just here, and Roman abacus you can see, and Chinese. Okay, so this is a Roman. You can see the Russian, Roman, and Chinese. You can see just here. This is the one type abacus is a calculation system and calculator. This is a abacus system. So what is the analog computer? We are generally using now this generation using digital computer. But what is the analog computer? According to Wikipedia, analog computer are form of the computer that use electric, mechanical, or hybrid means to the model or problem being solved in simulation. So analog computer are believed to have been first developed by Greeks with Enkiad mechanism, which was used for astronomy, and antique mechanism what was discovered 1901. Okay, 1901 introduced this discover and was dated back to CRCS circa 100 BCE. Analog computer are not likely today computer because this is a very difference in analog computer. Modern computer are digital in nature and are immediately more sophisticated. Okay, so analog computer are not likely a today computer. Modern computer are a digital nature and digital system using We are today using a digital computer, but a very long time, old generation time using a analog computer because mechanism with different type gear using and some electronic powers. So these I will discuss. There are still analog computer in use, such as the ones for research at University in Indiana and the Harvard Robotics Laboratory. Example of analog computer, you can see just this is a lot of old generation type. You can see just the analog system. Upper left, police analog computer ILVET. Okay, so upper left this is a police, and you can see just here bottom left typical student slide rule. This is a student rule. Okay, and bottom to right northern bomb site. Okay, used to by US military during World War II, the Korean War, and the Vietnam War. Okay, this. Okay, it is included the dropping of the atomic bomb on Japan. So this type you can see just history of these analog computers one type. Okay, so history of an algorithm. What is the history of algorithm? Computer not directly creative. Computer have using algorithm. Algorithm are etymology are derived from algebra. Okay, which was developed in the 7th century by Indian mathematics. Brahmagupta. He introduced zero as a placeholder and decimal digit. He introduced zero as a holder decimal digits, and in 825 Persian mathematics. Okay, A.L. Query wrote on the calculation with Hindu numerals. This book helped to the diffusion of Hindu and Arabic numbers into Europe. In the 12th century, the book was translated into Latin. Algorithm, the numero indorum, and the new process of problem solving come to formation of the concept of an algorithm. In today's computers, it is algorithm is essence that runs the system, and computer programs are manufactured of the algorithm in machine language. So algorithm is one type of very important for your computer, and lot of program engineer, software engineer using algorithm system. So algorithm system created by old generation type in Indian mathematician Brahmagupta, and after 1 by 10th century coming here Europe sides. Okay, this is a Latin created translator, and create one by one these program machine. Okay, so understand the development of binary logic. What is a binary logic? I will discuss binary code and what is the binary systems. Okay, but we are understand only computer history. As in the cases of algorithm, computer really on something else that originated in ancient times to binary logic. The binary system was invented by the Indian mathematician Pingala in the 3rd century BCE. In the system, any number you can represent with 0 and 1s. It was not until the 1017, however, the binary logic was formally developed from binary system by German mathematician, okay, Gottfried Leibniz, and Leibniz is also known for having invented calculation independently of net1. Okay, in library logic, the zeros and one take values of false and true representative or of and ons. More than a century later, George Boole refines purpose in his publication Boole Algebra. Okay, so Charles Babbage and Ada Lovelace founder modern computing. Okay, so Charles Babbage is Ada Lovelace together are often through of the as founder modern computer. Babbage invented the difference engineering and more abundantly the analytic engineering. The latter is often recognized as a key step toward for promotion and the use of modern computer. Of not Babbage was observed and far he once baked himself in 4 minutes to 65 degrees Fahrenheit just see and would happen. He reported not greater discomfort. Ada Lovelace's daughter, famous poet Lord Byron, is known for describing algorithm and the process. The analytic engine was intended for in this sense. C is considered pioneer in the computer programming. So you can see just C's father and C's and create new type. You can see just a Charles Babbage of Ada Lovelace and the left replica reference engine. You can see this just here. This is a different type engine create here. Okay, complete see here. This is one type of showing you. Okay, so understand more related the analytical engine. Okay, so this analytic engine is the key step in the information of the modern computer. It was designed by Charles Babbage starting in 1837 and but worked in 1887 because of the legal, political and monetary issues of the machine was never built. And the analytical engine is based described as the mechanical generation purpose computer that would run off a steam engine. This is a steam engine and the steam engine would have been height full 330 meter long and 10 meter wide, and although it was never built, its logical design incepted the modern generation purpose computer by about century. Okay, Howard Hathaway Inc. designed the first large-scale digital computer. First large computer created in USA. The Howard Mark I claimed that Babbage writing on the AE algorithm engine and where is the primary education. Computer science beginners. We now think of computer as a machine, but before 1920s the computer denoted an occupation. Computer in those days were people whose job it was calculator various equation. Computer only use calculation various equation only. Many thousand were employed by to the government and businesses. Analog computer and the very first digital computer being developed 20th and 13th computer machine, but is phased and by 14th by that type computer and give name computer means machine the perform calculation. Analog computer relies on the physical substance to perform calculation, such as the turning of a shaft, while digital computer call process information and render memory value and store is an individual digital. Alan Turing. What is Alan Turing? Charles Babbage laid the foundation of computer science, but it was Alan Turing in England who is regarded as the father of the computer science. He provided a new concept of both algorithm and process calculation with new invention Turing machine. The Turing machine is a basic abstract symbol manipulating the device that can be used to simulation the logic of any computer that possibly and constructed. It was not actually constructed, but it they uh, many inside the turning test, turning idea, and how it determine machine's capability and is the two concept of more Alan Turing and world class marathon runner. This is Alan. He is described the Turing machine. Okay, Turing machine and the Turing test and now as a father computer science as a runner. He is the best marathon time was only 11 and minutes behind the winner 1948 Olympic. History of modern computer and hardware. So 1916s this pre even science the abacus was developed. Human abacus is first computer being using the devices L act computer computation through 1500 to 1800. Many breakthrough in the computation hardware technology were developed in including mechanical calculation and punch card technology. Okay, punch card technology used this day. In the late 18th, the first programmable computer appeared using punch card technology. To be programmable, a machine had to be able to simulate the compression of any their other machine by entering its computation process from the 1913 to the 1916 desktop calculation were developed making a transition from a mechanical electronics. So developed by 1913-1916 in lot of calculation and calculator technology and electronic system and electronic parts of just like transistor type systems. By 1914, age analog computer was about to become the age of the digital computer. Computer the transition from analog to digital. So transistor analog to digital computer, this is a very good technology. I will discuss this history computer of video because this is a very long duration video. Okay, so I'm continue this computer history related video, the transistor from analog to digital technology. So first created first coming computer analog and computer going into convert digital system. Okay, because analog technology is one type of mechanism system, machine system, some gear fitting and some start instruction. But digital is one type of electronic power with electronic system and some piece computer parts. So that is digital. So this generation using digital computer, not analog computer. So I will discuss next video how analog and digital computer work and how look and how many type problems and other issues. So I will discuss in next my third video computer hardware and continue on this topic. Okay, because this video very long duration. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Click on subscribe button, click on like button and click on share video. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.